moving everyone about. Rose is now over here. These are the hutches that aren't in the rabbitry. Ella is down here. They've got everything they need. I'm going to go and clean out this top hutch where Ella was, so that Sparkle can go in there. I did hope that Elsa would accept her back, but no. Elsa is trying to be in charge, and she is letting poor Sparkle know it, as you can see from the fluff on the hutch there. But I will get this cleaned out, put new bedding in it, and then Sparkle can go in there and feel quite secure away from grouchy Elsa. And now we've got Sparkle in this one. She's inside the rabbitry, but grouchy Elsa can't get to her. So we'll just let Elsa and Cookie settle down again. Hi Maui. Yeah, and everyone will be alright again in a minute. It just needs a moment. Oh, my plants are looking much happier now. It's not constant rain all the time. Now Tuesday morning. Hi Rosie. Nice clean hutch. Nice full bottle of water. She needs some food. And Ella's doing good. Hi. Alright. So it's Wednesday morning. My one carrot is growing. I believe that's peppers. How are we doing in here, guys? So this is the first night for these ladies in these hutches. They're used to this type of hutch, it's no longer in the rabbitry, that's all I know. Got lots of water, good job, hi Ella. Thank you. But everyone looks good. Let's go and get everyone some breakfast. Okay, let's check in on these guys. So I put Onyx in here yesterday. So we're hoping for some guinea pig babies. Oh, I can see they've started chewing on the hay box. So naughty. So naughty. So I just need to put the shelves back up. Caledonian citrus fruit. Need to get some water on all my plants. My orange chili. Hi Cookie. Hi Sparkle. I can hear all my piggies over there. Right, let's go around here and have a look at my quail. So these are my blue egg layers. Here's hoping to be hatching a few more blue egg layers. So until I have my egg layer, my new hatch raised up and actually laying eggs, I won't know if the male I've got in there is what I need to produce the blue egg layers. So until I do that, I'll have to wait and keep them together. And sorry, I'll have to wait until I can choose who stays and who goes. Because I don't want to get rid of the other potentially Celadone male. I'd like to have some more blue egg layers, but as I've said before, it's just about different colourings in my egg collecting. I'm not about breeding everything and having lots of babies everywhere. It is simply a case of wanting to have some pretty eggs in the mix, because that is always fun. Now, how are you guys doing? There's the one that was injured and had to be separated. It's doing really well. Got eggs everywhere. Need to give them some more fresh bedding, so I'll do that. And they'll be happy. The only time I see everyone is when I empty up this hay, the last dregs of the hay bin, to refill it. And then I've seen all 5 guinea pigs and all 14 baby bunnies. Otherwise, I only ever see a few of them. They're all hiding or chilling all out together somewhere I can't see them easily, like under their shelters or in their hides. It's lovely to see everyone else. Eating up the last block of hay that was in there. Over this little birdie. Carla over the back. Sky and Onyx. Oh, and Wanda, of course. I forgot about you, Wanda. Sorry, darling. Everyone looks good. My peas and beans are done for, but my fruit trees are doing brilliantly. Peaches, plums, apple tree, and the oranges are just flowering now, attracting lots of bumblebees, which is brilliant. One carrot. There is a couple more growing. I put some seeds down. Oh, there's another one there. So there's 3, I think. Oh, 4. Another one's coming up. That's good. Got some lavender, potatoes, peppers, or tomatoes. I'm not really sure anymore. I was so sure this was a pepper plant. Not so sure now. These are empty, but look at that slug trail. Pests. Hi Ella. Hi Rosie. So these ladies have been in here a little while now, and I mean they're used to hutches. It's not like that's a problem. Yeah, you're okay. They get seen a bit more often now. They're this side rather than just in the rabbit tree. Hello cutie. Oh, we need a tray change. Get that sorted. There we go. Nice clean tray for Ella to use. There's berries in it. Let's get you some breakfast. And the babies waiting for their breakfast. Maui's got the ump with me. Hey Cookie. So in the rabbit tree, everyone's doing okay? We need a clean up again, don't we? Yeah. It's Saturday morning. And my son has his top on back to front, but Davey, those ones are already done, darling. They're done. We're going to go and do the others. Come on. But everyone wants to help me this morning, which is lovely. So Baby's helping me feed all the rabbits. Riley's in here. She's fed all of the bunnies in here and the piggies. Now she's just giving them some love. Now he's running around. Cookie's all right. Elsa's a bit stressed by Maui, but that's okay. They'll work it out. And Sparkle's doing good. So it's lovely. I've got everyone out here this morning. Bib, baby. And yeah, everyone wants to help me. It doesn't happen very often, so let's use it whilst I can. Good morning, noisy piggy. Actually see them all today, that's exciting. Hi. Rabbits in the hay bin again. You're all just pests. So I actually went round and did water yesterday. I'll have to top it up, but... You're right there, Maui. So I actually I set Maui free. You would have seen him a little earlier in the video. He's running around the rabbit tree now, but he keeps going back into his own hutch just to chill, which I think is quite sweet. But anyway, that's it for another week, guys. Everything's growing nicely. Looking forward to actually being able to harvest some fruit this year. That's going to be really exciting. And if you just follow along, I'll take you on that journey with me. So if you wouldn't mind, subscribe. So if you would please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more content, and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time on Mini Farm SM1. Thank you and take care. Bye.